How to make the bleach bypass. Today's video is sponsored by the ugliest man alive. Open your clip in the color page. The first node is going to be the luminance control. Add another node. This one is going to be the color. Bring another node, and this one is the bleach bypass. In this third node, go to the color wheels and bring down the saturation all the way. Right-click on the node, go to the composite mode, and change it to overlay. Go to the first node, bring down the highlights till you recovered the blown parts, and increase the shadows. Select the second node, and add a bit of blue color to your lift wheel. Bring down the saturation roughly around 43. Select the bleach node, and add another one after. This one is for the post-contrast. Go to the log tab, increase the highlights wheel, and bring down the high range. Bring down the shadow wheel a bit. Bring another node to add some sharpness. Go to the blur tab, and bring down the blur radius around 40. Add one last node, and drag the film grain on it. Change the grain preset to 16mm 500, and increase the grain sliders until you've got some heavy grain. Go back to the luminance node and play around with the midtone wheel to adjust the exposure to your liking. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, subscribe and close your eyes.